Hi, this is Dr. Lawrence Janowski for Sonata Aesthetics. Today we're going to talk about a couple of things for necks that people sometimes overlook. There are all kinds of things we can do for necks. Now we can tighten the skin, we can reduce the fat pocket here. But a couple other things are platysmal bands, which are bands of muscle. The platysmal muscle is the muscle that goes down from the jaw all the way down the neck. And those bands can look undesirable, and if you take a little bit of Botox or Dysport and you relax the bands, you can get a smoother neck. And the other thing is necklace lines, which are lines that go across the neck. And these are stubborn lines that are hard to treat, and for that we will use Restylane silk. So if we look over here at Laurel, we can see just some fine necklace lines. And then let's have you activate the platysmal muscle. So the bands here, some people see the bands even if they're not trying to contract them. Some people, you have to get them to contract it, but if we inject those bands, we can soften them up. So I'll show you how to do both of those things. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how we treat platysmal bands. I'm going to use Dysport. Here I have a total of 60 units, which is equivalent to Botox 20 units, and we're going to do 10 on each of these two major bands. So contract the muscle for me. Good. Little pinch. Contract. Good. And so we just go down the band a little bit. Okay. Good. And contract again. Here we go. Good. Contract again and relax. Good. Okay. And there are a couple small ones here, so contract. Here's one here. And then one more time. A little one right here. Okay, so that's part one. So we just did the Dysport in the platysmal bands, and Laura was saying she hardly felt it. It's very easy to do. Like any other area, it will kick in a few days. It should last about 3 months, just like all the other areas that we treat. So now we're going to use Restylane silk, which is a very fine filler, good for lips, good for lip lines or any fine line. These are fine lines and should work well. It's a surface filler, and we simply want to just fill those lines, so I'll demonstrate how that works. Okay, so turn this way. So we'll do a few little pokes. Here we go. You just do a little bit of product along the lines. This is a very soft product, so it goes right on the surface, right into the line. Good. And so we just do a little massaging here. How you doing with that?
That doesn't hurt at all either.
Good. Yeah, necks are pretty easy. So you can see some softening already. Okay, so we just finished using Restylane silk on the necklace lines, and there's a little bit of redness, but you can see that those lines are filled in nicely. It's a very soft, fine product, perfect for those lines. And that can be expected to last about 6 months or so. So it's another tool that we have to help improve the appearance of the neck. And we'll show you some after photos after Laurel's had some time to heal up. And then we'll also show you the results of the platysmal band treatment when that starts working. So keep those in mind if we want to improve necks.